Extreme snow in Japan is still taking a heavy toll on the East Asian country. 55 people have been confirmed dead, and the blizzard-like conditions are also wreaking havoc on local transportation in the hard-hit regions. Weather authorities are warning of more snowfall along the Sea of Japan. Andrew Dupree has more.
Japan's worst snowstorms in 5 years have killed 3 tourists in an avalanche at a hot springs resort in Akita Prefecture in northwest Japan. Heavy snow triggered the avalanche, which crushed tents housing an outdoor hot spring bath. Police are investigating the site of the fatal disaster. A local resident said he was not surprised by the incident.
That area had no trees growing around it, so I'm not surprised what happened.
Many commuters found their journey disrupted by the weather, with traffic reduced to a crawl. Some cars not equipped with snow tires were filmed sliding on roads caked with snow and ice. Snow piled up about twice the height of a local news reporter. Many residents are frustrated by the snow.
My back aches. This is really hard on me.
But not everyone is unhappy at the drastic change in weather. Some children are having fun outdoors, building snowmen and throwing snowballs at each other. Heavy snow that has blanketed northern Japan for weeks has left at least 55 people dead, according to the government. Most of the deaths occurred while people removed snow from roofs or roads. Blizzard-like conditions have also led to the cancellation of numerous flights and train delays in those areas hardest hit by the storms. The Japan Meteorological Agency warned that more snowfall is expected along the Sea of Japan. Andrew Dupuis, CCTV.